Hi, Rudy Winston from Canon USA with a few words about Canon's EOS R50, the lightest and most compact EOS R series camera to date. It's a 24.2 million pixel camera with a compact APS-C sized image sensor squarely aimed at new video and still image creators looking for the image quality and flexibility of an interchangeable lens camera. The EOS R50 is also an outstanding choice for users looking for a lightweight, modern replacement for existing compact or digital SLR cameras. Travel, portraits, documenting hobbies or everyday life, and video content creation are among the situations where the EOS R50 will excel. This 24.2 million pixel camera has extensive video capabilities. 4K video up to 30 frames per second is uncropped and oversampled from initial high-resolution 6K recording for great sharpness and detail. Autofocus continues to be a Canon EOS highlight with superb AF subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. And advanced subject tracking means the AF system can follow moving subjects around the frame. There's also a new video shooting mode, Movie for Close-Up Demos, which allows quick, positive refocusing on a smaller object a presenter may hold up to show. Smartphone integration, of course, is possible for both video and still image shooting. Record with the high-quality EOS R50 and quickly connect and send camera images to your phone for easy sharing online. The EOS R50 opens the door to the entire Canon RFS and RF lens lineup. Telephoto lenses are high on many photographers' wish lists, and along with the EOS R50, Canon introduces a great lightweight RFS 55 to 210 millimeter telephoto zoom lens, a perfect match with the R50 camera. Want to begin photographing wildlife or sports in action? The R50 is ready with fast continuous shooting speeds for still images and slow motion video in full HD up to 120 frames per second. Beautiful results and easy operation are the EOS R50's hallmarks, and it opens the door to the entire Canon RFS and RF lens system. If you think a new camera is in your future, we hope you'll take a long look at the Canon EOS R50. For Canon USA, I'm Rudy Winston.